Tonight, Governor Gavin Newsom says that he will end the COVID-19 state of emergency in February of next year. The state will then shift to its endemic policy called the Smarter Plan. Meantime, as we head into flu season and the holidays, health officials are stressing the importance of getting your COVID booster shot. News Channel 3's Bianca Ventura brought some questions you might have about those vaccines directly to the county's Director of Disease Control.
Although Riverside County has reported a slight uptick in COVID hospitalizations, Barbara Cole, Director of Disease Control at Riverside University Health System, says it's not a cause for concern and the county will continue to monitor numbers.
Would you say that getting the booster shot could help prevent a surge with the upcoming cold and flu season and the holidays coming up?
Well, we encourage anyone 5 years of age and over to get that new booster. And the advantage is it does protect against the variants. So even though people have been vaccinated, we know that people can still get COVID.
The booster is also effective against the latest variant, which is why health professionals like Cole recommend it.
We're seeing the BA.5 as the predominant one that we see in Riverside County. And again, there's concerns because it can be more contagious.
Booster shots are also advised for people that are considered high risk.
Individuals whose immune system are compromised, so anyone, for instance, who are undergoing chemotherapy, things that make it hard for their body to fight off disease. The elderly can be at increased risk. People with underlying health issues, diabetes, hypertension, heart disease.
And when it comes to cold and flu season, both flu shots and COVID boosters can be administered during the same visit.
They just need to be administered in different sites on the body.
In Thousand Palms, Bianca Ventura, News Channel 3.
Cole recommends talking to your healthcare provider if you have concerns about getting your flu shot and COVID booster around the same time.